Looking for comfort and convenience on the go? The best lightweight portable chair for seniors offers unmatched support and easy portability. Perfect for outdoor activities, travel, or simply relaxing, it combines durability with effortless setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Medline Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors. The Medline Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors is a standout option for those seeking a balance of comfort, mobility, and durability. Weighing only 15 pounds, this folding transport chair is built with a sturdy aluminum frame that can support up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Its lightweight design ensures that seniors can easily transport it without strain, while the compact fold allows for convenient storage in car trunks or small spaces at home. Comfort is a top priority with Medline's design, featuring desk-length cushioned armrests and a spacious 19-inch wide by 16-inch deep seat. Swing-away footrests further enhance accessibility, making it easy for seniors to get in and out of the chair without discomfort. The chair also includes a built-in cup holder, adding a touch of convenience for daily use. Maneuverability is effortless thanks to 8-inch rear wheels paired with swivel front wheels that navigate tight corners, doorways, or ramps with ease. Rear wheel locking brakes provide additional security during transfers, ensuring the chair remains stable when stationary. The easy clean nylon fabric simplifies maintenance, while the no-assembly design ensures immediate usability straight out of the box. This chair is ideal for a variety of environments, including indoor spaces, outdoor events, shopping trips, or travel, offering a reliable combination of practicality, comfort, and mobility. Overall, the Medline Lightweight Portable Chair is a dependable and well-thought-out solution for seniors who value independence, safety, and comfort in their seating options. Number 2. Drive Medical Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors. The Drive Medical Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors is designed with both convenience and durability in mind, offering seniors a reliable seating solution that can handle everyday challenges. Its lightweight frame makes it easy to lift, carry, and transport, while the foldable design allows the chair to fit effortlessly into car trunks, making it perfect for travel, errands, or outings. The chair is built to support a significant weight capacity while maintaining stability, ensuring that users feel secure while seated. Comfort is addressed through spacious seating and thoughtfully designed armrests, which make getting in and out of the chair simpler and safer. The inclusion of footrests adds to user convenience, and their swing-away feature allows for even easier mobility. Maneuvering the chair is smooth and stress-free, with rear wheel locking brakes enhancing safety and stability during transfers. The materials are designed for easy maintenance, ensuring that seniors do not face challenges in keeping the chair clean. Additionally, the sturdy frame and high-quality construction ensure long-term durability, making this chair a wise investment for those who require both portability and reliability. Whether used indoors or outdoors for shopping, visiting friends, or traveling, the Drive Medical Lightweight Portable Chair offers a practical solution that prioritizes safety, comfort, and independence. Seniors can rely on it for consistent performance and ease of use, while caregivers will appreciate how simple it is to assist with mobility. Overall, this chair delivers an excellent balance of portability, support, and convenience for everyday life. Number 3. WHLICKS Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors. The WHLICKS Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors is a modern solution for seniors who need a compact, portable, and safe seating option. One of its key advantages is the effortless fold and unfold mechanism, which allows the chair to be ready for use in just 3 seconds. This feature is particularly helpful for seniors who may have limited strength, as the chair can be easily pulled into position and transported. Its high-quality aluminum alloy construction ensures a sturdy yet lightweight frame, capable of supporting up to 220 pounds while weighing only 19.4 pounds. Comfort and safety are prioritized with the addition of rotatable, waterproof, and non-slip armrests, foldable footrests, and a built-in seatbelt. The chair's wheels are made of durable PVC, featuring 360 degrees rotatable front wheels and shock-absorbing springs that enable smooth navigation through tight spaces and uneven surfaces. This makes it ideal for both indoor use and outdoor activities such as shopping trips, park visits, or travel. Its compact folded size, measuring just 20 by 10 by 30 inches, allows for unobtrusive storage in homes or vehicles. Beyond portability, The chair's user-friendly design makes transfers easier, while the breathable, non-slip handles and safety features ensure that seniors can sit with confidence. Overall, the WHLICKS lightweight portable chair provides a thoughtful blend of portability, safety, and comfort. It is an excellent option for seniors seeking independence without sacrificing stability or ease of use, and its lightweight, durable construction makes it an ideal companion for travel or everyday activities. Number 4. LOCYOP Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors. The LOCYOP Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors is a versatile two-in-one cane and stool designed to meet the mobility needs of seniors and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This multifunctional design allows the product to serve both as a walking aid and a seating solution, providing a practical option for those who need occasional support or rest. The chair features a soft, upgraded cotton-padded seat, which offers more comfort compared to traditional aluminum options. Height adjustability enhances usability, with a walking cane height ranging from 34.3 to 37.4 inches and stool height adjustable between 19.3 and 22.4 inches, making it suitable for men and women of various statures. LOCYOP emphasizes durability and stability, using aluminum alloy construction reinforced by a triangular pyramid structure, which allows the chair to safely hold up to 550 pounds while remaining lightweight at just 2 pounds. Anti-slip mats on the legs prevent accidents, and the waterproof, rust-resistant material ensures longevity even in harsh outdoor environments. A convenient storage bag is included, making transport easy. The combination of portability, safety, and comfort makes this chair ideal for hiking, rehabilitation, outdoor events, or travel. Seniors can rely on its sturdy design for stability, while caregivers will appreciate the easy-to-carry, multifunctional convenience. Number 5. ProTraverse Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors. The ProTraverse Lightweight Portable Chair for Seniors excels in combining portability, comfort, and safety for elderly users. Its standout feature is the rapid fold and unfold mechanism, which allows the chair to be ready in just 1 second, making it ideal for travel, public transport, or daily outings. The retractable handle further enhances portability, allowing even seniors with limited strength to carry the chair effortlessly. Constructed with a durable aluminum frame, this chair is both lightweight and robust, providing a stable support system while maintaining easy maneuverability. Safety is a priority, with a built-in seatbelt and dual braking system that supports both parking and emergency stops. The shock-absorbing wheel springs offer a smooth ride, whether on pavement, ramps, or uneven surfaces, while the breathable seat and backrest materials improve comfort and ventilation during use. Footrests provide additional support and relaxation, making extended sitting more enjoyable. The ProTraverse chair is particularly suited for a variety of settings, from indoor environments to outdoor excursions, offering seniors independence and convenience without compromising on stability or safety. Its thoughtful design ensures easy storage in compact spaces, making it perfect for vehicles or homes with limited room. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.